Good morning, Mr. Singh. Guess who it is?
Well, that sounds very much like Robin.
You know, I've been dealing with you this whole year, and I haven't really asked you much about your company. I see that Goldor is really doing well internationally. You must have a huge global organization. How many employees do you have?
Nope. Goldor is proudly a small South African business with a powerful core team operating from the MACH mindset, outsourcing various sectors of work to make big things happen and help other small businesses grow. You would only need a large team if there's something dysfunctional and you know it's going to break, then you will need a large team to sort that out. But with the MACH needing no maintenance, the small team is all we need. So if you really think about it, the industry should not be promoting a need for a big team for technology companies. That won't help towards a carbon net zero world by the year 2050. Unnecessary large companies will not give you that. They are adding to the problem by doing things like flying aeroplanes around the world to fix your constant reactor issues.
You see why I love coming to you with my questions? Thank you so much. I'll most certainly be spreading the word about the MACH and practicing my MACH mindset.
Robin, you bring a tear to my eye. Thanks for all the support. Let's go to the Goldor logo reveal.
Ooh, I love this part.